Hello and welcome to the 7th part in this YouTube video series where I go through every official puzzle. At the time of making this video, I average around 9-10 seconds on Pyraminx. I also hold the New Zealand national record single for Pyraminx of 4.53 seconds. It may get beaten soon, but New Zealand, well, not soon, it may get beaten by the time you're watching it. Or soon, I don't know. But yeah, New Zealand competitions don't happen very often, and there's only really about one person who regularly competes in international country from New Zealand. That's Dean Beardley, who competes in Australian competitions, which happen more often than they do here, a lot more often. The last one that happened in New Zealand was in New Zealand Nationals 2012 on the 9th of December. I still need to get that video up. At the time making this video, I sort of it may, by the time you watch this, already be up, but at the time of filming this video, I sort of finished it, but I was using Windows Live Movie Maker since I didn't really have anything better to use, video editing software, and it's free, so I'm not going to go try and find something better that has a trial. Anyway, so yeah, and then it just, the files suddenly said, no, you can't use these, when it was all rendering, after like rendering for hours. Anyway, let's start on these 5 walkthrough solves. Scrabble. Tips are trivial, you should know how to do those without being told to in a walkthrough. Anyway, I use layer by layer. So, what I notice here is this is paired and the centres here. The centres are fixed. Anyway, now I'm just going to put this up. See this piece is here? Use this 3-move insert. See this piece is here? Use the 3-move insert's mirror. Last 3 edges. It's just a cycle. Nope, wrong one. There we go. Done. Solve 2. Well, example solve 2. So, what I notice here is 2 yellow pieces here. 2 yellow centres. But these 2 parts don't match, so therefore I need to pull them down. Now all the centres are solved, which is kind of not the best idea to do because it can be inefficient. Still, now I notice the yellow, red, orange. I don't know what you call this colour. It's kind of red, it's kind of orange. Red or orange, whatever you call it. Still, I have a pack of Faber-Castell coloured pencils that has a colour called red-orange. And you see it on, like, colour wheels. Where is it? Ugh. It's here somewhere. It's a remember having red-orange. Still, I swear it's this colour. One of these. What number is that? Okay, 3, 2, 1. I swear that said red-orange. Still. Now I'll proceed. So, insert it. Bring that back in to solve the centres. And also orientate this piece so I can solve the yellow-blue. And then get the yellow-green. And then get the same case as before. Now for solve 2. Okay, I notice this nice red bar that is totally useless since, as you can see, the centres are on the wrong part and the edge doesn't even match. Also notice that if I go like that, okay, those two are matched. There are the edge, so I'll do that, solve it, solve this one in the process, and this edge, and then decide to solve the yellow centre, just because. And then in the end just solve the yellow part, and get this nice, beautiful case. Now the most annoying case is for Pyraminx, well, to look at. Now for Solve 3. Okay, and it's this green red, solved. Also notice I compare that. Now I've solved the next part. And now I can use that 3-move insert to solve that and get the 2-flip. Nice. One of the faster ones. Now for the 4th example solve. Oh. This is a Shinku Pyraminx in case you're wondering. Which explains why the red-orange is, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to solve blue since I saw that these two will pair together. There's its corresponding edge. Done. I noticed these two blue pieces, so I thought I could go, but I can't because they don't match. So bring that in, solve this. Notice this is flipped, but 2-flip, commutator like. Now for the final example solve. And final. So, what I notice is these two are here. I can just do a U prime, which will solve that centres and an edge, but the second edge won't match, so I'll just get that out of the way first. And by doing so, I enter in the edge flipped and put this in position for this 3-move insert. Now, here I see the 3 cycle. Obviously there's an edge flipped because of this, so I decide to do the 3 cycle, and then I get this 2 edge flip, which I need to do that for, and it's just a 2 edge flip, which I did wrong. Whoops. Nope, just insert. Done. Yeah, Pyraminx is relatively simple. Quite cool when you get stuff like that. Good for times as well. If you screw up slightly, it doesn't totally shatter your solve like other puzzles.